Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I am here with a new project share. And if you saw my video of the Happy Meal that Trisha, a little shabby chic, sent me, hi Trisha, with lots and lots of things to make a gypsy fabric book, I thought I would start off a little slow and make a wall hanging first, just to get back into some of the darker colors. So I made a doily wall hanging, and this is it, and this is the image I used, and I drew some of the colors out from the image. There's beige in there, so the doilies I used a beige. There's this doily here, and you don't see much of it. And then there's another doily in between that. And then there's this doily to finish off the back. And I used a black chain to use as the hanger. And let's see, the first thing I did was I put down my image, and there's some batting underneath that. And then I put some dangles down the bottom, and this is the first one, and this is one of the trims that Trisha sent me. And then I did a layer of this gold leaf, and somebody else sent me this, and I'm not sure who it was. I think it was during my fabric postcard image. And then over that I put this black dangle, and this one's also from Trisha. And then I did another layer of the gold leaf, and then on top is this black dangle lace, also from Trisha. Isn't that beautiful? And then I just started embellishing after I got these down. I went around the side and the top here, and then the other side with this flower trim. And this is the trim that Trisha sent me. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's got these long dangle pieces. This is the trim here, and you would have seen it on the video, and it's just beautiful. And so what I did was I cut one section off, and I just had to cut to work them into the frame. So I cut like a few of those, and then some down here, and then I left the dangles for the side over here. So I probably ended up cutting off two. I cut off 3 dangles, and then probably 2 of these pieces here in order to fill in. I needed to fill in a couple places with some extra. And then on this side I hung the long dangles, because I wanted them to be able to just hang down there. Trying to still be in frame and show you. So there's 3 dangles there. And to finish off around the image, I used this trim here from Trisha, and I just went along the side and the bottom here. And let's see, and then I added these 3 flowers. There's 2 burgundy and 1 black, and this was a flower trim that she sent me. And then I just added my little rhinestone buttons to the middle. And then over here there's a red bridal applique that she sent, and this is one of this was from my stash. It's actually a Prima fabric flower, and the colors just matched perfectly. And so that's it really. And as I said, I put this on the back just to finish it off. And I love how it came out. This image is so gorgeous, and it just brought out the, there's like burgundy and fuchsia in there, and that's what these flowers I don't know if that's the right color or not to say it's fuchsia, but to me it's like a dark fuchsia. Oh, and then I did add this other flower trim here on this bottom corner with a different rhinestone applique in the middle of this one. And that was also from Tricia. So yeah, she sent me some beautiful pieces to work with, and as I said, I love how this came out. So thank you so much, Tricia, for all these beautiful things that you sent for me. And I still have so many things to be able to use for my fabric book, because the fabric book's going to have other colors besides these two colors. So that's it, everyone. That's my project share for tonight. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment if you'd like, and I would love to see what you think about it. And I will be back again soon with another project share. So bye for now.